confusion and distress in their wake. With a solemn determination in his eyes, the wise owl ponders the next move, a plan forming in his mind to confront the thieves. A tiny figure emerges from the flowers, her wings aglow with magic, ready to join forces with the wise owl.
Welcome here. In today's video, we're diving into the enchanting world of bedtime stories for kids, but with a modern twist, AI. Join us as we explore how artificial intelligence can help you craft captivating tales that will whisk your little ones off to dreamland. Stay tuned to discover the magic of storytelling in the digital age. Let's get started. So first of all, we will need a script for our story. It's important to have a clear idea of the story we want to create. This idea will help the AI generate the story based on it. If you already have an idea, that's great, but if there is no any story idea in your mind, don't worry, I will guide you through that. Just go to ChatGPT and ask for some ideas for kids' stories. ChatGPT will come up with amazing ideas. Here you can see. If you're targeting a different audience, you can replace kids with whatever suits your needs. It's easy. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of story ideas to choose from. Pick one that catches your interest. Now let's move on to the next step. Now you will have to generate a script for your story. For this, just visit another website named TinyWow. The link provided in the description. Link will take you to the same page you're watching now. As you can see, there are plenty of tools available here, and the best part is they're all free to use without any restrictions. However, we need a story generator tool, so search here and now select this one. Simply click on the story generator tool. Once you're there, paste the story idea you got from ChatGPT into the text box provided. After that, you'll need to decide how many paragraphs you want the generated story to have. I'll choose 3 paragraphs. Lastly, hit the generate button and wait for the magic to happen. And here we go. Check the whole story once. If you want any changes in the story, you can make it right now. Now that we've finished creating the whole story, let's move on to the next step. The next step involves the creative aspect of bringing the story to life. For this purpose, we will use another AI tool, called ArtFlow, the link provided in the video description. In ArtFlow, you'll find lots of tools you can use. You can make characters and scenes and even make your characters move if you want, but for now, we're just focusing on making the story. Now sign up for a free account. Just move your mouse over to the right side and click on the sign up button. Below here, type in your chosen username, email, and password. Once you've done that, click on the Create Account button from here to finish signing up. Once you're logged into your ArtFlow dashboard, click on the Story Studio from here, hit the New Story button. You'll see 2 options pop up. Click on I have a story because we already have our own story, then choose the genre for your story. Now it's time to paste the story we generated earlier into the text box. After that, you'll need to create a character by giving them a name and an introduction. To do this, go back to ChatGPT and type in, describe the characters in this story followed by a colon. And then paste the story, press enter, and you'll see ChatGPT start describing all the characters in the story. Next, copy the name of the character and paste it into the name section on ArtFlow, then copy the description of the character and paste it into the character intro section. Repeat this process for the remaining characters by clicking on the Add Another Character button. Once you've added all the characters, click on the Create This Story button. Now choose the video format from the options provided. Since I'm uploading this video to YouTube, I'll select for the 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, you'll need to choose the visual style for the narrative. I'll go with the 3D cartoon option and click on this button. As you can observe, the character creation process has commenced. Impressive, isn't it? Now let's continue the story by clicking on this button and wait for the result. The story has finally been generated. It may take some time. If you click on each scene, you'll see 2 image options to pick from. You can play with it to see the one that meets your preference. Once you're satisfied, click the Export button. Here it may take a moment, but soon you'll see your story come to life. Let me show you.
In the heart of the enchanted forest, a wise old owl sets out on a mission, his keen eyes searching for clues in the darkness. Shadows flit among the trees as tiny hands grab shimmering treasures, leaving a trail of confusion and distress in their wake. With a solemn determination in his eyes, the wise owl ponders the next move, a plan forming in his mind to confront the thieves. A tiny figure emerges from the flowers, her wings aglow with magic, ready to join forces with the wise owl in his quest for justice. A rugged figure emerges from the shadows, his presence commanding respect as he offers his strength to the mission, his eyes holding a hint of hidden kindness. The wise owl's wings move deftly, setting a trap that gleams in the moonlight, tempting the thieving goblins to their downfall. Laughter rings through the forest as the mischievous thieves outsmart their captors.
To save it to your device, use the download button here or click on the three dots and select download. Alright, let's move on to the second method, which is the lazy method. To begin, click on the new story button. From there, select the help me get a story option, and type your target audience in the provided box or choose from the suggested options. For this video, I'll input kids since the video is intended for children. Next, specify the purpose of the story. Now select a genre. I'll select a children's story. Lastly, provide an idea to generate your story. Let's navigate to ChatGPT and copy one of the ideas from there and paste it into the text box. Now click on the Generate button. We have the characters generated and the entire story too. Click on the Create This Story button, choose the desired video format. I'll select this one. Now select the virtual style of the story. Click on Continue. The tool has begun creating the 3 characters in the story. Just look at how amazing they are. Click this button to proceed with the story. We now have the complete story. Clicking on each image allows you to choose between 2 image options, ensuring the best fit for the story. I'll leave the selections as they are and click on the Export button at the top right corner and patiently await for the final result. Our story has been successfully exported.
In the heart of the forest, a mysterious discovery awaits.
To download it, click on the Download button and select the download without caption or with caption. Let me show you both.
In the heart of the forest, a mysterious discovery awaits. As they step into the unknown, the secrets of the past call to them. With their gifts awry, chaos reigns, threatening to unravel their newfound purpose. Suspicion hangs heavy in the air as the misfit trio faces the judgment of the Guardians. Tensions rise as the stakes grow higher, testing the fragile bond between the misfit trio and the Guardians. In humility lies strength, as the misfit trio seeks redemption in the eyes of their mentors. Bound by shared destiny, a new alliance forms, forging a path towards redemption and understanding. Dark clouds gather on the horizon, as a malevolent force seeks to shatter the fragile peace of the secret society. In the face of adversity, unity prevails, as the power of teamwork thwarts the designs of darkness. United in purpose and resolve, a new dawn rises, heralding a future where courage and compassion reign supreme.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.